Hello all guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Arshita Kusum and I'll be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel right down below. So as you all can see, I have dolled up and I have done a very beautiful makeup look. You guys agree, right? I created this very beautiful makeup look, and as you all know, it is a Pride month and I wanted to dedicate this makeup look to them. And yeah, that's the reason I have created this very makeup look. And trust me guys, this was my first try and alhamdulillah it has turned out very beautiful and I'm literally proud of it. And I have never worked with these bright eyeshadow colors basically, and I'm proud of it actually. So you guys must be wondering which eyeshadow palette did I use. So recently I came across this eyeshadow palette and I ordered it from Amazon, and you guys won't believe me, the MRP of this product is just $385. Yes, you heard it right, it's just $385 and you'll be getting total 60 shades. So the eyeshadow palette today I'm talking about is none other than the Beauty Glaze eyeshadow palette. Yeah guys, this is the eyeshadow palette that I got from Amazon, and this is their Beauty Glazed color code eyeshadow tray. So this is how the packaging looks like. So it's very travel friendly basically, आप कहीं भी ले जा सकते हो इसको. And you guys won't trust me, this eyeshadow palette has total 60 shades. Yes, so ये ऐसे खुलता है. So there's the magnetic thing. I hope you guys can hear that. So once we open this is the first tray that we have, and this is the. So we get total 4 trays as you all can see here. So I'll just explain you guys one by one. First palette is all. So the first palette consists of all green shades. We have some shimmer shades, we have matte shades, and we have some pressed glitters as well. And I'll be swatching this by end of the video or maybe of the explaining this part, and stay tuned for that. So this is the first palette. So you just have to rotate like this. This is second palette, and this is one of my favorite palette because it has all nude, peachy, goldenish shades. And again here we have pressed glitters, matte eyeshadow, and some shimmer eyeshadows as well. And this is the third one. Again, this is very beautiful palette. This consists of all the blue colors. Again, we have 1 or 2 browns as well. So this is the last tray, and it consists of all purple, pink, and some again 2 golden shimmer shades. So yeah guys, this is all the 4 trays that we have today. The only thing I didn't like about this product is how they have inculcated the product, because see, once you see like this, it's really nice, you can carry it anywhere. It's, you know, it's not that space consuming. But once you open, right, so if you have to work with the second or third or fourth palette, it's very tough, you know. See, if I want to work with this eyeshadow palette, if I'm keeping it, it's fine, but still this keeps irritating, you know. See, if I want to show you guys that I'll be using this or that shade, see, you guys just saw it, right? So ये थोड़ा clumsy हो जाता.
So yeah guys, as you all can see, I've already done one eye and I'm gonna create the same eye makeup look on the other eye as well. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So basically I've come a little closer to the camera so that you all can see it clearly, and also I know it is looking weird. Just a while I'll complete my eye makeup look, and I've already done my brows, and I just have to line my brow with a concealer, and I have to prep my eyelid as well for all the eyeshadows that we are going to use. And for that today I'm going to use this Wet n Wild concealer. This is a full coverage concealer you guys, and this is amazing. And my shade in this and my shade is light ivory. And I'll take the same concealer and I'll just top it here.
So I blend in with this beauty blender, and I'm just simply going to down a bit so that it's easily blendable. And I'll be using a mirror, so guys please adjust.
So I'm taking this brush to blend in the eyeshadow, and the shades that I'm going to be using, I'll just pop up a picture and I'll circle it.
Okay, I'm taking this orange shade and I'll just start it here.
As you all can see, all the colors are here, so you can see these harsh lines and different different colors. So we'll just blend it in nicely, and I'll be taking the same brush. You clean the brush, guys, then slightly go with this part of the brush, and slightly with very light handed blend in.
Sachi बताऊँ, I'm literally very proud of this makeup look that I have created, you guys. I never thought in my wildest dreams that I'll be creating this very makeup look, and it will turn out this amazing. So as you all can see, it's blended out really nicely.
As you all can see here, there is a sharp edge that I have created with a flat brush using concealer, and I'll do the same thing here also. For that, I'll be doing my under eye as same colors. So inner corner, I'll go in with the red color. So yeah guys, we are done with this eye as well. So now I'm going to curl my eyelashes, and then I'll go in with the mascara, and then we are done with this look. Just in case if you are wondering whether my eyelashes are fake or real ones, let me tell you guys, these are real ones, and that I have just created using this Lash Paradise Voluminous Mascara by L'Oreal Paradise. And yeah, this mascara is amazing, you guys.
So first take out the mascara and remove all the excess product, and as you all can see, there's a lot of excess product on the wand. Take your own time to apply mascara, guys. मतलब मेरा तो यही है, no matter how much time I take to do my entire face, I go आराम से slowly with my mascara because I don't want to mess it up, dude.
So we are done with the entire bride makeup look, and to sum it up all in, I'll just go in with this lip gloss, and this is by Swiss Beauty.
So yeah guys, this was it for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed the makeup look and the review time with me. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that big fat like button. And
Before leaving, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. यार कुछ नहीं जाता यार, फ्री में है, सब्सक्राइब कर दो.
and make sure you turn on the notification bell as well, so whenever I post a new video, you'll be notified of it. And stay safe, stay home. Until then, see you. Bye bye.